Take your bread baking to the next level. Amazing free 78-page flour guide is waiting for you. Flour hacks to have bread even if you are dieting. If your diet requires specific amounts of carbohydrates, or gluten-free flour or alternative, and you worry about availability and ingredients of store-bought bread, worry no more. Discover flours you may use in bread making, even if you are dieting, and more, including flour hacks to have bread even if you are on a restricted carbohydrate diet. Make your bread just the way you like it. Now you can make your bread according to your preference and lifestyle. You can make your keto or gluten-free bread. Free 78-page ebook that details 7 different flours to use for common diets. Nutritional composition information for each. 1 bread recipe for each flour. Substitutions and working with these flours. Grab your free flour guide now. Click the link in the description below.